Today I show you a set of carrying bags, very thin ripstop material. Ripstop is this design where they have the squares of thicker fabric and then much thinner fabric, and they're very light, so for traveling they're pretty nice for organizing things. But I actually use plastic bags if I want to put some things, and yeah, but this is much nicer than plastic bags or even not having anything. And they are not very solid. Like if you have something that stands out like something sharp, it will not really resist much. They have another bag for that, but this is where I got confused. I saw 169. I thought, no way, it's 169 for all three. I will get two sets, but actually it's not like that. It's for one bag. They have a version of this with one bag, but then they have another version where is a little bit more expensive with the three bags. Still, it's a pretty good deal. I think I will really buy this set the next time, only to be able to separate things in the bag, in the carrying case. So this one is 169. That's how much it is. And yeah, 169. It should be 167 actually, and it's 499. For 169 I would buy two sets, but for 499 I'm not sure if I would really need this that much. Probably no. And Decathlon also has some really interesting, nice carrying cases, and I think the Decathlon ones are a little bit better quality, but they maybe they were a little bit more expensive, but not by much. So yeah, but I might buy this to be able to organize things in the bag. Yeah, someone who needs to organize things in the bag, and if you don't want to use plastic bags, then this is the thing. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you.